Steve by J.Racenstein, and I'm here to talk about wide channels. The most popular wide channel, the inventor of the wide channel, if you will, is from Sorbo products, and the most popular is the Quicksilver. All right, it's strong. It's not going to bend as easily as some of the other channels, but it's lightweight because it's aluminum, and it has Sorbo's own rubber installed in it so that it can be perfectly positioned for the type of work that you're doing and trimmed on his trim machine if you'd like. So, second best seller after that is the Cobra. Cobra, similar to Quicksilver, except it has plastic end caps for places where perhaps you might leave an aluminum score on the end of that mullion or frame. So the plastic helps protect the mullion or frame. Otherwise, pretty much a Quicksilver with a plastic end cap, same quality Sorbo rubber. And lastly, the Black Mamba, which doesn't have as much relief on the end for supporting the rubber closer to the edge of the window, and is often used in frameless environments, butt-up glass on a big curtain wall building. 22 is the most popular size, but these go up to much larger sizes than that. Of course, all of these work with the Sorbo handle, release on the end, place the channel in, connect. Nice piece of that is it's quickly adjustable to be able to move the handle where you want to, and has a small indentation to where the center is so that you can easily position the handle towards the middle. All right, why would I want to position that? Because I can't quite reach the top of that glass, so I quickly move the channel up. I got another 6 inches, and I can get that piece up there, reach the top of the glass, and then reposition my handle back to the center. Sorbo tools, invented, produced by a window cleaner for window cleaners in sunny Southern California.